Hi there. Today I want to introduce you to our newest microphone, the Audio-Technica. It's the Audio-Technica AT8035. It's a shotgun mic. It's not one that gives you zero noise, but from the research that I've done, it does a really fantastic job, and it's much easier to use than a lot of the more expensive ones, but it does just an absolutely fantastic job from all the research that I've done, and it's easier for someone who is a bit of a tech Neanderthal like myself. And so for a church that's upgrading its tech system, that needs something that's going to be high quality but doesn't necessarily have the capacity to be having a full-time staff member running all of the different components that it requires to handle the type of audio that comes with running all the different filters and everything like that. This really is a great microphone to run with. You can run it as a boom mic connected in with something like a 4K or a 6K camera. You can also connect it in directly into your house sound system. So let's take a look inside. So here we have the information pamphlet, the purchase registration card, and of course the warning labels that we have. And then we have this nice beautiful box for any type of transportation that we might have. It has good solid snap clicks, and then we can bring that out. We've got the microphone with the windshield. Okay, we've got the male XLR right there with the windshield. Let's see, how easy does that come off? It's on there pretty snug. I know that it does come off, but I'm not gonna pull that too tight. That is part of the connector for screwing that into the stand, as well as that, so that that fits directly with. We've got the AA battery, carbon zinc. Okay, so there we go. We've got our AA battery. We have inside here in the box nice foam. We'll keep this very safe and protected anytime that you need to travel. Take this out for any type of filming. If you're having a baptism, a video shoot, recording testimonials inside someone's home, recording any type of thing away from the church service and using this as a boom mic with your camera, this really is a great addition, and I think you'll really enjoy it. So yeah, that's it for an unboxing of the Audio-Technica AT8035, and I hope that you've enjoyed it and take a look into seeing how it might work for you and your situation. Real quick, I did want to take the windshield off so that you could see what the microphone looks like without this. So this is a shotgun mic, so it's a directional mic where you really point it at and it cancels out the side noises so that it's really focused on what it is pointed at, and it can give you a little bit of distance where a lot of the microphones that we have in our churches a lot of the time are made more for an individual and don't allow you to get more than one person, or don't really give you more than, say, 6 inches to a foot, where this one will, from my research, will give you at least a minimum of 4 feet to get you a better clearing. So if you have someone who is less likely to step up to the microphone, this might be helpful to you. If you have people who are away from the microphone where you can't quite get a microphone to them for some logistical spatial reason, this could be a huge help. I know we have some people who just will not go to the microphone, no matter if you move it to them, no matter what's going on. We have had different times when we have tried to position it, and if someone is sitting and they're holding something or something, it's just hard to position a microphone that needs to be 6 to 9 inches away from someone's mouth and pointed in the right direction to really pick up on someone's voice. And this does that. This really does what's needed. So I hope that's helpful for you, and enjoy.